1969 GTO Carousel Red GTO Judge Ram Air 4.
Big car, vinyl top, very rare, but it's all about that Ram Air 4 4-speed combination. Now keep in mind, the standard engine, the Judge, is already an upgraded Ram Air 3 at 366 horsepower. The Ram Air 4 engine puts it into a different category for collectors. 239 of these were built. The hardtop versions with the 4-speed and the Ram Air 4 option. It is fully documented. Mentioned the folks at PHS. 390 gears, just very well suited to that engine. Hood tack, correct rally wheels. Yeah, that's an A-lister right there.
I opened the show with a car, and I can guarantee you there are people who have hung in with us to see just what kind of bidding it would draw. And we're approaching $150.
We had some pretty good vibes here in January with Chuck Kokoma's collection of GTO Judges, right? Remember the Chuck Kokoma cars?
9 of them.
Yeah.
Yeah,
here we
right
are,
here.
160.
Judge started in 1969 as a package, an option on the GTO. They ran that option for 3 years. Concept was a lower price to compete with the Roadrunner, and it turned out to be just the opposite. It was an upscale, content-added GTO. Any production color was available, but most of them were done in this signature color. Carousel Red, which is the same as Ugger Orange from Chevrolet.
Yeah.
Now,
All right.
Reserve off.
Yes, sir.
$180, man.
All right.
when did the GTO badge fade from the lineup? And I know I'm putting a dagger in your heart here. I'm just asking you. Because it kind of faded toward the end, did it not?
Well, 74, and then they regurgitated it in 04 through 06.
Right, but 74 was the last of the first runs.
Yeah, 64 to 74, then 04 to 06, and that's all there is.
I didn't even ask him to talk about 04 to 06.
No, but I know you.
Well, but you have to, because that was a GTO.
That's
that was
true.
A
You're right.
GTO.
Ooh, big money, huh?
Very happy new owner of that GTO Judge Ram 4 right there.
Yeah.
At $180,000. Travis Delzell out there helping out with the sale of that Pontiac.